Welcome to V.I Tech Academy, where accessibility meets innovation.
Hello everyone, welcome to another video of V.I Tech Academy YouTube channel. One of our subscribers has commented why we don't make videos about Google Maps application. That's really true. We didn't make any videos about the Google Map application, but Google Map application is very useful for the blind users as well as the others. We have decided to make few videos about Google Maps with TalkBack. As Google Map has a lot of features, so we cannot cover all the features in a single video. We have decided to make a series of Google Maps in which you will find many features of Google Map. Today we will start the series. My name is Ratul and I am a host for today's video. So guys, Google Map is a digital map application. What generally have in a physical map? A physical map, let's suppose you have the India map or you have the map for a particular places, particular hill, particular area. So you can understand where is what. I mean, you can understand about the places. And based on the direction, you should use a compass to move to that direction. As Google Map is a digital map, in digital map you will not only get the places and its descriptions, but you will also get the directions and proper step-by-step instructions of the availability of transports and how you can go there in various methods. We will learn more about the Google Maps and how to use its features in this series. So keep watching this series, and for latest videos like this, subscribe to V.I Tech Academy's official YouTube channel. So guys, I already have the Google Map. I think you also have the Google Map and you already signed in. So when you open the map application, first let us check the overview. At the top you will find
search here, heading, window
search,
maps,
where you can search everything, every places you want. Next, I'm swiping right.
voice search, button,
Voice search, so you can understand that you can search by using your voice.
lens in maps, button,
Lens in maps, we will see what's there.
signed in as team V.I Tech Academy.
So this is your email ID.
Latest in the area, latest in the area.
And
1 of 14.
here you will get a shot of current weather status, latest in the area.
Light thunderstorms and rain, 29 degrees, good, Nikki.
Okay, so light thunderstorms and 29 degrees where
Light
I am.
thunderstorms and rain, 20.
And below
iconic
that you will
places,
find
2
icon
of
places
14.
as this is a fresh email ID. When you first time log in your email ID using your email ID without searching anything, so you will also get this iconic places based on
search here,
where you
heading, voice search, button, Victoria Memorial.
and see, as I'm in Kolkata, so
list tourist
Victoria
places,
Memorial,
Howrah Bridge,
Howrah Bridge,
2 of
these are
8.
some iconic places.
Indian Museum,
Indian Museum.
Dakshineshwar Kali Temple.
Okay, so
Search
this is
here.
a temple.
Voice search, Victoria Memorial.
And
Selected.
below you will find
Explore.
3 tabs.
Tab. 1 of 3.
Explore tab
End
where you
list.
can
3
explore.
item. You. New notification. Tab. You. 2 of 3.
You, under you will find some additional features such as list. Under list you can find many list. What is list? I will tell you later.
Contribute.
And
Tab.
under
3 of
contribute
3.
you can also post, you can also contribute under in Google Maps to earn some points or to earn contributor badge. So this is a basic overview of this application. Today we will see how you can search nearby places. So guys, to search nearby places,
Search here. Heading.
you will find
Out of
search
list.
here, then just swipe.
Lens in. Signed in. Latest in. Light thunder. Icon. Light. Late. Lens. Voice. Search. 5. Stop. Search for petrol. Search for restaurants.
And just below search you just
Settle.
need to touch.
Search for restaurants.
Search for
Button.
restaurants.
Search for petrol.
Search for
Button.
petrol.
3. Search for shopping.
Search
Button.
for shopping.
Search for hotels.
Hotels.
Search for hospitals and clinics.
Hospitals and
Button.
clinics.
Search for clothing.
Clothing.
Search for coffee.
Coffee.
More. Button.
So
9
more
of
is also
9.
there. So let's say I just
Search
want
for
to
coffee.
search for coffee.
Coffee. Heading.
So here
Out of
we'll
list.
get all the coffee shops nearby.
Button. Coffee.
Coffee.
Close. Button. More filters.
Now
Button.
here you can
1 of
apply
6.
advanced
List. 6
filters
items.
such
Not
as
ticked. Open now. Tick box. 2 of
open
6.
now,
Not ticked. Price. Drop
price
down menu.
also.
3. Not ticked. Open now.
So let's
Tick
click on
box.
open now,
Ticked.
because obviously when I'm searching about the coffee shops, I want
Ticked.
to
Open now.
go there.
Not ticked. Price. Drop
Price.
down menu. Not ticked. Top rated.
Top
Tick
rated.
box.
So I want
Not
to
ticked.
also price mentioning
Price
I
per
am
0. Minimum price 1 rupee. Slider.
minimum price, and here you can set
1000. Maximum price 2000 rupees.
maximum
Slider.
price. So let me just
9, 8,
Cut down.
8, 7, 6, 6, 5, 5, 400, 400, 350, 300, 250. Maximum price 600 rupees. 200. Maximum price 400 rupees. 100. Maximum price 200 rupees. Slider.
okay. I just choose 100
Cancel. Done.
and
Button.
click on done button.
Maps. Coffee. Heading.
And now
Button. Coffee.
based on my filter,
Close. Button.
if I just swipe right,
More. Ticked. Not ticked. Top rated.
you can
Button.
select
4
the
of
ratings
6.
also.
Not ticked. Wheelchair accessible entrance.
Okay,
Button.
so
5 of
if
6.
you are using wheelchair, if you are having these types of disabilities where you need to use the wheelchair, you can check this box also.
More filters.
So more filters
6
also
of-
there.
Button. Indian Coffee House.
Now see, Indian
4.1
coffee
stars.
house.
39,883 ratings.
So it's better
1 to
to
200.
get the
Not wheelchair accessible.
Sorry.
Cafe. Open. Operator closes 8 p.m. 16.7 kilometers. 20 best cafes in Kolkata 2024. Out of list.
So, sorry guys, I was talking in the middle of this talkback. That was my mistake. Sorry. So here, what you get is you get the details of the cafe, Indian cafe. What I forget? Coffee house. Sorry, coffee house, not cafe house. Coffee house. Okay. So how you can get it quickly? To get it quickly, just touch on the screen.
Button. Indian Coffee House. 4.1 stars. 39. Button. Indian Coffee House. 4.1
And slightly
stars.
middle. I'm swiping
39,000.
quickly.
Directions. Button.
If you directly press enter here, you will get the direction of coffee house. We'll see in another video how to get any directions properly.
Menu. Button.
Menu, here you can directly check their menu. Okay,
Call. Button.
you can directly call them.
Share. Button.
You can share this place with others in WhatsApp and any other things.
Save. Button.
You can save this. I already told about the list, right? What is list? You can save this in your list. Let's say, okay, we will discuss it in another video. You can save this in a list.
Button. India Coffee
Next
House.
one.
SSCHAMBER first floor. 4.1 stars. 1572 ratings. Rupee. 1 to 200. Not wheelchair accessible. Coffee shop. Open. Operator closes 6:30 p.m. 15.2 kilometers.
Same options in
Directions.
directions.
Menu.
Menu.
Call.
Call.
Button.
Okay. So now let's say I just want to open the first
Button.
one.
The coffee time. 4.9 stars. 572 ratings. Rupee. 1 to 200. Wheelchair accessible. Cafe. Open. Operator closes 10 p.m. 13.6 kilometers. Quote. Good coffee, good food, excellent service, nice location. 4 of 19.
Okay. So last time you heard that good coffee, excellent service, location, etc., etc. This is a brief from the reviews. Okay. So now what I can do is I can just open this,
Share. Button.
and
Out of
now
list.
I'm just swiping from left to right. Guys, it's better to move your finger on the screen so that you will get the best result.
Directions to the coffee time. The
At the
coffee
top.
time.
The coffee time,
Play it in Bengali.
you can play this in your own language, as I used Bengali, so it's just like
Directions to the not tick. Directions to
Directions.
the coffee time. 4B, Motilal Nehru Road, beside Priya Cinema. Not ticked. Start. Tick box. 4 of 11.
So you can start it.
Not ticked. Reserve a table. Tick box. 5 of
You
11.
can reserve a table from here.
Not ticked. Call the coffee time. 4B. Motilal Nehru Road. Beside Priya
So
Cinema.
call options is also there.
Not ticked. Save the coffee time to list.
Save,
Not ticked. Share the coffee time.
share,
Not ticked. Post. Tick box.
post.
9
So
of
here you
11.
can check all the posts they made in the Google Maps. Yes guys, in Google Maps you can also post if you wish.
Not ticked. Edit.
Okay,
Tick
edit,
box.
you can
10
submit
of 11.
any edit, any information you might think that it need to be submitted, you can edit.
Not ticked. Show more actions for this place.
Show more
Tick
actions
box.
for this
11
place.
of 11.
So in that you will find more options, we'll see later. So let's say
Photo. Button.
here some
1 of
photo you will get.
Tab. Photos.
Now if you want to
Photo.
get the
Button. 1 of
what I
14.
can say,
In list. 14
details of address, so just
detected.
touch your
Image.
finger
Photo taken.
little below of the screen.
Button. Related to your search. Good coffee. Good food. Button. Related to your search. Address. 4B.
See.
Motilal Nehru Road. Beside Priya Cinema. Manohar Pukur. Kalighat. Kolkata. West Bengal 70029.
This is the address.
Play it in Bengali. Activate to expand.
Okay, next.
Directions to the coffee time. 4B. Moti. Start. Button. 4 of 11.
You can click here. If you click here from your location, it will start showing how you can move there.
Not ticked. Reserve a table. Tick box. 5 of 11.
Okay, so let's explore what happen if I click on reserve a table.
In progress. Progress bar. Progress bar. Out of list. Stop recording. 12 minutes. Reserve with Google. Web. Back. The coffee. Cafe. The coffee time. Cafe.
Cafe.
Party.
Party.
Collapsed. 2. Drop down menu.
So how many?
Date. Today.
Date.
Button. Time.
Time.
Collapsed. 6:30 p. 5:30 p.m. 5:40. 6:50. Selected. 6:30 p.m. Button.
Okay, 6:30
6:45 p.m. 7:30. Booking times are provided in partnership with Zomato. Continue. Button.
Okay.
Stop record.
Then you need to
Reserve
continue
with
and
Google.
do some
Web
other
view.
things, I
Window
think.
maps.
Okay.
The coffee. Address.
Maybe it will be
Address.
chargeable, I'm not
4B.
sure because I
Motilal
didn't do
Nehru
this.
Road, beside Priya Cinema, Manohar Pukur. Button. Related to your search. Good
Okay.
coffee, good food, excellent
my
service,
God.
nice location.
Okay, so this is the way you can get the result or like nearby things easily using Google Maps application. So guys, that's it for this tutorial. In next part of this Google Map series, I will try to demonstrate how you can find any places using the search feature, and then how you will find the route or the steps how you can go there, which is very essential for us. If you find this content useful, press the like button and share this video with your loved ones. If you have any questions, feel free to type into the comment section. See you in the next tutorial soon. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye.